Hi traders, a very good morning. So date today is 20th of June 2023. The time now is 9:28. So traders, if I take it to the funds right now, it's 25k. So traders, I'm starting the 25k to a 1 lakh challenge from today. So my goal is to compound this capital and and make it to 1 lakh through Nifty option buying. So that is my target. And traders, I will officially begin the this challenge from today, 20th of June 2023. So traders, let's see how this challenge goes. I will try my best to complete this challenge. So traders, this is a Nifty 15-minute chart. So you can see that Nifty has broken the yesterday's uh, day low, and it has also given a breakdown of this trend line from where it was taking support. So traders, from yesterday, from the day high, we have seen some selling happening in Nifty, and even today this selling has continued. So I have the put and the call charts in 5-minute time frame. So traders, I will wait for some retracement to make an entry in this put. After such a big candle, I will be waiting for some retracement to come, and if some retracement comes, then this put option comes near view up, then it will be a good place to make an entry. So whenever this kind of big moves comes traders, we should not trap ourselves in FOMO, because now if I enter here, my stop loss will be big, the risk to reward ratio will not be favorable. So even if this retracement doesn't come, it is okay traders, because my aim is to uh, take quality trades instead of quantity. I'll wait traders for some retracement to come, for some better trading opportunity to come. This candle is uh, you know the massive red candle. So if you see this 18,850 put, all the candles have been green candles. In fact, strong sellers being present in the market. So 18,850 put comes near VWAP, then it will be a good place to make. Right now, for me, this 18,850 put is about 15-20 points costlier. I get it at 144, 145 at around VWAP, and it will be the right price to buy. Order traders. I have a limit order set for this 18,850. If it comes to my price, then I will be making an entry, or I will letting this trading opportunity. This way traders, the market rarely moves in a straight line, so it has to move in waves, So if this impulsive wave, uh, there's a high probability of a retracement corrective wave coming, and then it can continue its momentum. So traders, whenever the market is moving in one direction, it's always advisable not get trapped into FOMO and wait for some retracement to happen so as to get a good risk to reward ratio opportunity. If I enter here, then my stop loss, where will my stop loss? It will be big traders. And market fits in these kind of FOMOs only. So you should always keep the FOMO in check, because more often than not, it is making these type of entries in rush, that result in losses. If I don't get an entry, then it's okay, traders. So not losing money is equal to making money. So they both are the same things. Hmm. Wait, traders. This is the yesterday's low, So this level has been broken. A market can just come for a retest at around this level. At around this level, when the market will come at around this level, in this 18,850 put, will come near VWAP 2. My entry will get triggered. Went into the 150 quantities. Eighteen thousand eight fifty. Give a quick spike on the downside, because if it's from here, that it might not come this much down. Modified, paste it at exactly at view app. First stop will be at around 130. It will be a 15-point stop loss. Fill it as the momentum will happen on my favor. See traders, if my entry gets triggered, because I've modified it further. So traders, price did not take my buy limit order here. Came down to 148, and from there this P is shooting on the upside again. Close from here, it goes up, then the market, this 18,850p will shoot up, or from here if it comes down, then it can go for a deeper retracement as the stop loss of the buyers will get hit. So option might be all about timing traders. It's about entering and exiting at the right time. That's what option buying is about. It's a game of risk to reward. So to be able to consistently do it, we need a strong mindset. One minute, 1.5 minutes left for this 15 minutes candle to close. There's this small gap between 18,624 and 18,632. I will just mark this level. The price is going down. There is no support. There is only resistances. That is the supports that are broken that turn into resistance. So still, this level I've marked as it can turn into support, because if the price reaches this level, it would mean that this gap has been filled. So traders, this 18,850 is again coming towards the VWAP zone, but now the circumstances are different. After this big trending move, the first February minutes, the market is getting range bound, choppy. We will have to be careful before making an entry. Also, this 9:30 to 9:45 15 minutes candle is a green doji. Definitely buyers present out here. So till today's this day high at 18,760 has been taken out, so we will regard this as a seller's market only. So the sellers are waiting for more buyers to come in, the stop losses to be put, so that they can again take the market down. Let's wait, traders. This 18,600 C is trading above the VWAP. So traders, if the price sustains above the VWAP, then we can see some spike on this E2. So if you see spike in the C, that will mean that this P will go down and get this put option at cheap. So it can be a good place to enter on the put side too. Let's see, traders, what the price action does. Let's wait. So no entries as of till now. Price has touched the yesterday's day low, just by about points. Let's wait, traders. Five minutes candle close. You have to enter as this spike. The momentum of this spike is getting lower as it is diminishing. I entered at 147. It will be a 10-point stop loss now. With 100 quantities, so my risk is 1000 on this trade. So I'll trail my stop loss now as we are getting a weak rejection on the downside. Now it's a 4-point stop loss. So now we want to see a spike on this PE, Let's wait, traders. If you see a spike on this PE, the market has just touched yesterday's day low. So this was the support level. So market has broken this support and market has just now this day low is our resistance, support and resistance. So the market has made a retest, just at this zone, and then the market might continue its downside momentum. So traders, with that logic, I've entered on this PE. So now it's a 4-point stop loss. That is about 400 rupees loss on this trade. If my stop loss gets hit, right now I don't have targets in mind. Got 10 seconds left for this candle to close. Green doji. Let's see traders if we get upside momentum from this point. Clear my stop loss further. It's about a 2-punch stop loss trade. I want the spike to come right away. If I see some further momentum, I will trail my stop loss to cost. So let's wait traders. Trail our stop loss further. 1-point stop loss. No point in giving more loss, the price does not behave as we want it to behave. Candle to green, red candle. So this is the previous candle is a green doji. So after this green doji, we want this continuation of this buying, of this bullish momentum. So if it is a red candle, then this logic will be defied. So we want momentum on the upside from here. We want momentum happening. This 15 minutes candle is also about to close. About 1 minute left. So if the momentum comes on this 18,850p, then easily be a 30 points trade. Like the risk ratio trade. So if uh, I entered at 147, if 177 is my target, and I've trailed now my stop loss to break even. Now it is a 1:30 traders. So if just put over, let's just put 1-point stop for the namesake. So trader, it's a 1-point stop loss. and 30 points target. 1 is to 30 risk to reward ratio intraday in option buying. This can be done, traders. It's all about practice, understanding price momentum. So let's see, traders, if the momentum comes at this zone, there's a strong tug of war going between the buyers and the sellers. So we have a stop loss placed just at the low of the previous candle below the VWAP, and this is taken out, traders. So our stop loss is hit. So first trade we are in a loss of 105. So traders, let's make a small entry with 50 quantities on this. Now let's see if we get some spike here, because the price is giving going up slowly, and we get further spike with 50 quantities. Get just a quick scalp, 3-4 points, so that we can cover the loss previous trade. So now if the price goes down, and it goes below this doji, then we can see further momentum happening. This P going further down, this C going further up. Got it at 44. So 48, 49, 4-5 points I've looked at. I put a limit order. It is at, so about a 6-point target. About to get it. So it is it, traders. So the loss of the first trade has been covered. Profit of 200. Trading is all a game of controlling your emotions, managing the emotions, traders. What we do when our stop loss gets hit, how we react. So that's the most important thing. So how we take the damages, traders. So the most important thing is to not lose our cool. So these three green candles, if you see the size of these three green candles, they are very small. All the candles have big rejection from the upside. So definitely when the sellers come, market will fall. So my bias is still on the put side. See 15 minutes of selling and this 45 minutes of buying, traders. That is if this candle closes like this only, with 34 minutes of buying till now, as about 11 minutes left for this candle to close. Okay, traders. Now this 18,600 C is trading above the VWAP traders. So if the selling does not start to come soon, then the option writers, the call writers will get trapped traders. This price sustains over the VWAP, then the buyers will get in control. So the selling should come in any time, because after such a strong selling in the first 15-20 minutes, I don't think the sellers just meant to uh, take the price from up to this level only. So it is there is a good probability that the sellers want to take the price lower. That is the reason we have seen so much sharp selling. So let's wait traders. So right now the trend is bearish, but this uh, the price is trading this 18,300 C trading of the VWAP. So there's confusion in the market. So there was a good chance for the price to go on the upside from this level here, but it did not happen. After two consecutive green doji, red candle, just closed below it. So traders, the hourly candle is also about to close. About 7 minutes left. So traders, we are seeing some momentum happening in 5 minutes candle of 18,850. Let's wait for the candle closing. Also, this Nifty spot is at a good price. So this is the impulsive move. This is a corrective move. From here, it can a good place to continue. It's selling, to continue going on the downside. Traders and entry can be made. Let's look at how the closing is going to be about 10 point stop loss. Traders, I'm not convinced by the closing. There's a good chance that the momentum can happen after this candle closing. After this previous and the hourly candle closes too. A little bit risky. Okay, traders, so the momentum has started to happen in this candle. Let's wait for some retracement to happen. My stop loss will be below this candle. Need the price to come at around 150. Make an entry. So traders, my order has been executed. 150. So it's a 10-point stop loss. Traders, I will go with 10-point target to 1:1. $150 to reduce my loss. So traders, the momentum has started happening in this candle only. That is the reason I've entered. Also, we are seeing some nice wick rejection forming on this 15-minute spot. So this candle, the closing above the VWAP, and giving a good closing on the upside can mean a spike coming. So traders, finally this candle has turned red, 15-minute candle. Now you can see a spike coming in 18,850 put. Traders, the candle is closed. I'll trail my stop loss now because I want the price to trade above this candle and I want the momentum to happen in a flow. So let's see traders if our target gets hit. So let's wait. Or to get it traded. So 3 points remain. I trade my stop loss to cost now. It is upside. I want this momentum to happen in a flow. I don't want the price to halt traders. So traders have to exit now. The price is halting. It is after this trade, our PNL is 95, excluding the brokerage and the charges. We got about 6 points on this trade. It's a 25k account. The main thing right now at the beginning of this challenge is to accumulate small profits here and there. Why I went for a small target is that so because of the these two red candles here. So if this momentum had happened in a flow, from this VWAP the price had gone up, then there would be a confirmation, but this candle here, so due to this candle, this red candle, I didn't want to go for a bigger target. Also, if you see the spot here, there's a chance that from here the price might form a kind of a double bottom and then go up. So that is the reason my target was small, to just keep my win probability of winning good. Because if a downside selling comes, well and good, but what if the price gets support from here? Already we have seen that, from this level we have seen some buying, and now again If the price holds, then we might see this buying continuing and the price spiking up. So that is the reason I booked my target early, just to be safe. Okay, traders, now you are seeing some momentum happening in the P. The price is coming down. So just out for a quick break. I'm back. I entered with 150 quantities. So it's going to be a quick scalping trade, 4 or 5 points. Since the momentum is happening now on the PE side, got it at 175, exit at on 180. Instead of placing a stop loss, I will place a target. So here is the target has been hit, 175, exit at 181. My PNL right now is 1092. Let's wait for some retracement traders, then we can take an entry again if a small retracement comes like this on this 18,850 PE. Let's wait traders, some retracement comes. If this 18,850 P gets cheaper, then we can look to make another entry here. Traders. Magnificent for five green candles in a row traders. So magnificent to look at. Let's see if some retracement comes, then it will be a good opportunity for us to make an entry. So buy at 170. Well, these kind of momentum is happening traders after momentum, price is again showing signs of going up. These are traps most of the time, traders. You have to avoid them. So if you enter now, there are stop loss will be about 10 points. What the market will do is that market will trap and most often times, come down to take the stop losses. So traders, it's wise to put our entry here where the others will put the stop losses. We're entering now, So sometimes the price can go straight up to. But how many times it happens, traders? Out of 10 times, maybe 2 times it will happen. The remaining times, so our stop losses will get taken out. So traders, the kind of mindset that we have to have as traders scalper is that if an entry goes away, then it goes away. It should not matter. But whenever we are making an entry, so it should be a proper entry. If you develop this kind of mindset, then it's very helpful. It's a very good trading habit to have. So when I was beginning, at my beginning, I used to make these kind of entries traders. I would make an entry here, stop loss just for this candle, and maybe out of 10 times, a few times I would win. But if I when I back tested these kind of things, when I calculated it, overall I was losing traders. Any momentum, any big momentum has happened, it is always wise to wait for retracement. In that way, our risk to reward ratio will be balanced. Let's see traders if our entry gets triggered. Traders, the price is coming down now. It's at 176. Our limit order is at 170. About 20 seconds left for this candle to close. But just by 3 points. Let's see traders if our entry gets triggered now. So increase it a little further because the price did not reach here in one go. Now it is reaching here in another red candle, so which is a little bit bigger in size. This will be a better place. It stop loss will be at 161. It will be a 7 point stop loss trade. Let's wait traders. It's at 173 now. My limit order is at 168. Why I've placed my entries here, that I'm expecting the price to give you a retracement. I'm expecting the price to go further down. If I get an entry here, then it will be an entry at a good point. So traders, if I don't get an entry when the price is coming down, so I have to make an entry when the price is going up. But when the price is going up, I can only make scalping trades. But if I make an entry when the price is coming down, then I can wait for bigger targets as my risk to reward ratio will be favorable. So traders, I think I will cancel this limit order, because by now the price should have touched my limit order and then started to go up 18,850p. Okay, traders. So in these kind of scenarios, we might see a deep momentum red candle too. So sometimes when the price is halting, we might see a short covering happening too. So that is also a possibility. So this kind of price action is always scary. So three continuous, if I count this a red doji too. So this is the fourth continuous red candle, traders. It is now this 1092 profits which I have, so I can now risk them. I can trade with 150 quantities, go for a 7-8 point stop loss, bigger targets. That is what I like to do. First make small profits and then fix those profits for bigger profits. Traders, now we are seeing some momentum happening on the SPY. Let's wait. About 1 minute 40 seconds left for the scanner to close. So what, 15 seconds left for this candle to close now. Look traders, how this candle is tracked, From here, from the big rejection, just gave a closing at 174. There's a good chance that we might see some spike coming in 18,600 CE. See traders, I was worrying about this kind of momentum happening, and exactly something like this is happening. But the trend is still bearish. Now, as long as this high is not taken out, 18,712, then regard this just as a retracement move. That is, if I look at the options chart, as long as the swing low of 137.5 is not taken out, this is still an option bias territory. The price is still bullish. It's 18,850p. Well, wait traders now. This is the reason why I cancelled my buy limit order here. Traders, so if you see this candle here, this is the reason why it is very important to wait for candle closing. Traders, we are seeing some momentum happening, and all those traders, retailers who entered before this candle closed, they are badly trapped. And this momentum which you are seeing on the downside is a result of this candle, traders. Let's wait, traders. So now it's uh, risky to enter in both C and the PE, because ideally the price has to go down from here, but looking at the momentum, the price can track the fall riders and go up to. Wait, traders. So yes, till now I have taken 4 trades. So traders, we are seeing momentum in the C side now. So are the All right, is getting trapped. Are we seeing a short covering? So the trend is still bearish status because this we have this high at 18,711, which has not been breached. After then, when the price is trading below this swing high, it is always risky to enter on the call side because technically the price is still under the territory of the sellers here. So traders, as the price is approaching this resistance zone, you can get a good risk to reward ratio to take a trade on the PE side. That is if this level is not breached, and if the price goes down from here. Let's wait, traders. So up till when this swing high is not taken out, we cannot tell that the buyers are in control. The sellers can start to come in anytime. About 1.5 minutes left for this 5 minutes candle to close. And the thing is that this candle is still green traders. 18,850p. This 5 minutes candle. So traders, this candle give a red closing. So I'm not interested. Inside now. So on the C side, I will be interested once this swing high has been broken. Making an entry here, though the probability looks good, it still will be entry. Early trade. Traders, by this time, the call writers must be panicking because three 15-minute candles, green candles. This candle looks set to close at its high, Definitely a lot of call writers trapped today. They are getting properly trapped. It is now about 2 minutes left for this 15 minutes candle to close. Also, the hourly candle will close too. Hourly candle, if you see, strong weak rejection from the downside. And if the price closes at around here, then this candle will be closing at around its high. Like on the upside can be expected. The closing happens like this. The VIX is also cooling off. So in this kind of scenarios, uh, entering on the C side through option Greek wise, is not advantageous for option buyers, as after a down move, the VIX has spiked up, and when this kind of short covering comes, this kind of when the price is consolidating, when the price retraces goes up, then the VIX cools off, where the vega of the option melts down, and as a result the option premium also erodes. These kind of scenarios are advantageous for the option sellers, not for the option buyers. But still, if the momentum is good, then the delta will balance the other Greeks, theta and the vega. But if the price halts, the delta, the, the trending, if this buying doesn't continue, then the premium will also melt, it will erode. That is the risk. It is a good closing. Price is it's just at the around the swing high zone. So this level should act as a resistance. So the sellers should try to defend aggressively this level. But if the price goes up, then you can understand that the sellers are now panicking away. Traders, the price is continuing its upward trajectory. So this upward momentum continues, and I see that this level, this swing high is getting breached. Then I will look to take a scalping trade on the call side. So let's wait traders. So traders, I'm very much cautious about this kind of momentum happening. Complete change of trend. V-shaped recovery, because uh, this kind of scenarios happen less number of times. I'm very much careful and cautious when this kind of scenarios are happening. Most of the time, I like to stay in the trend, because in that way, the probability of winning is also good. So still, this swing high has not been taken out. Traders, you can see this big rejection from the upside and this red candle. So as I had said, as long as this swing high is not taken out, so there will be sellers present in the market, and taking a trade on the fall side is risky. So right now, to if you look at this price action, then after this impulsive move, the price is now in a range. Price is consolidating right now. The price is choppy. The major trend is bearish. The probability is higher for the price to continue on this trend. So it can go on the upside too, but the probability of that happening is low. So probability of anything happening low does not mean that that event will not occur. This can also happen. This is likely. So we'll wait for further confirmation to take any trade on any side. So as a scalper, as an intraday player, I'm ready to take trade in any side. I'm not biased. Let's wait traders. When the price is not doing anything, we also have to do nothing. So at the short term momentum here, three continuous green 15 minutes candle. So if there is some retracement in see, like this, then we can enter for a for this momentum to continue. It must be a quick scalping trade. So this is also one possibility that I'm thinking. Also, then this will be kind of a cup and handle pattern traders. Price comes down and then it goes up. So if I talk about patterns, this is also looking like a head and shoulders pattern trade. So if you see a breakout of this 18,600 C, so now the momentum is happening. Traders on the upside. Price is approaching to break this swing high. So it would have been better if the price has taken some retracement and then gone up. Chances of this succeeding would be high. Let's see traders, if we get some momentum, this swing high is breached, then as the stop losses will be taken out, we might see a quick spike on the upside. About 1 minute left for this candle to close. So let's wait traders. This 18,600 C is at 142, 143, 144. So let's wait for this candle to close traders. So traders have entered. This candle is about to close, about 20-30 seconds. I've got it at 144. Plan my exit at 150. Just about 10-15 seconds left. So now there's a high probability that this momentum will continue. So we might see a quick spike, as this swing high gets taken out. With that view, I've entered on this CE. It's a stop loss because the price is coming down. I want this momentum to continue. Since this is counter trend entry traders, I'm not looking for a big target. I'm just looking for a quick scalping trade. I've exited 2 traders. My profits right now is 16 or 17. So I was expecting a quick spike as this swing high gets taken out. I've got it. And so traders, I think I will call it a day 2. So I've taken 5 trades today, and up to 5 trades is okay, So considering our capital of 25k, this 1600 after after I think deducting the charges in the brokerage, my profits will come to between 1400 to 1500. So it's a good percentage of gains that we have made. Yeah, traders, I will call it a day today, and I will hope that I will try my best to continue this challenge. Upload daily videos, try to grow this account 25k. Yeah, trader, that's my motivation. That's the reason why I'm doing these challenges, to help the retail community. To show them that small capital through proper risk management, proper position sizing, staying disciplined, proper scalping, proper intraday trading, money can be made in option buying too. Small capital can be grown. So trader, this is my this is the reason why I'm doing this challenge. And yeah, traders, I hope it will be a good challenge. It will be a great ride. Yeah, traders, I'm closing the video for now. So see you tomorrow in the next video, traders. Bye, take care.